My name is Tobias Wolff. I am the Vice President Engineering at smartclip. I'm overseeing all the engineering teams, making sure they work smoothly together by driving a mutual agreement on processes and mechanisms, working principles, best practices, and by defining an engineering culture. I've been born in a small town near Bielefeld, and there's actually a funny story about Bielefeld. People tend to say it does not exist. I do recall there was even a challenge in a radio show. People were supposed to file in stories around why Bielefeld does not exist. And there actually were pretty funny stories around that. I'm pretty sure Bielefeld exists, though otherwise probably I would not exist. Currently, I do live in an equally small town located close to the Dutch border, around a 30 minutes trip north of Düsseldorf. Well, given my job and a family with 3 kids and a dog, there is not too much time left really. I do like to work in the garden, although my wife would say that I have 2 left hands when it comes to flowers. But I also like any kind of crafting and building things from wood, as well as I do like meeting friends and specifically playing darts in pubs. There is a lot that I enjoy about working at smartclip. Primarily, it is about the people. We have a bunch of nice and knowledgeable people around who have all their own expertise and are willing to share that expertise. I myself am 6 years with smartclip now, but there are a lot of people which are around much longer, which I reckon speaks for itself. Aside from the people, we have been building a lot of great products, technically cutting edge and innovative. All of us like to take on new challenges, which are usually only just around the corner. Well, in my role as a Vice President Engineering, there's not so much one team, but rather multiple teams. So some of them are focused on data aggregation, on data science, some of them are focused on customer interfaces, ad delivery, SDKs, frameworks, user experience and design, as well as software and system architecture. Most of these teams consist of 5 to 7 colleagues, being developers, data engineers, data scientists, UX and UI designers, and others. Each team in itself is responsible for a subset of technical products or technical services, and usually features a product owner and/or a team lead. Those teams work closely together to build cutting-edge software for our clients. My management style? Well, that is a good question. Probably given my age and the fact that I'm twice as old as some of my colleagues, I might be close to a paternalistic management style where loyalty and trust plays a very big role. But I also like consulting and collaboration a lot and encourage people to consult each other and to collaborate with each other as well. I also like to coach people, passing my knowledge to them, which enables me to delegate some of my tasks to them, giving them more responsibility and empower them to do stuff they have not yet done before. I do believe that every team member plays a vital part in our organization and that each and everyone contributes to our success. Thanks so much for your interest in smartclip and our job offering. Looking forward to meeting you.